Hi guys, my name is Rumi and welcome to my channel. So if you're here for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you some of my crochet tips. So if you're a complete beginner, don't worry, you are at the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, first things first, let's start with the crochet basics. The first thing which I would recommend is a size 5mm crochet hook. I would personally recommend this hook because as you can see here, the hook is quite big, so this enables you to view your stitches better. So if you're crocheting for the first time, please use this hook. The next thing which I would like to recommend is a size 4 medium worsted yarn, and here I hope you can see, if it is 100% acrylic then it's well and good. I would personally recommend acrylic because acrylic is quite soft on hands, so if you're a beginner, this will help you to crochet faster and better. Last but not the least, a pair of scissors. The size really doesn't matter. If it is big or small, that doesn't matter. As long as it's working, that's the point. So yeah, those three things: crochet hook of size 5mm, then size 4 acrylic yarn, and one pair of scissors. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, while subscribing, please don't forget to hit the bell icon, because in that way you'll be able to get all the notifications when I post a new video in the near future. So thank you for watching and happy crocheting. Bye bye.